especially for holiday, you can do this and do a so cute ombre. I just you see me did on the other days. I did a gel extension. Ooh, this one is so beautiful and it's so solid. It is number 4 mango. So number 1 is baby pink. Number 2 is young peach. Number 3 fancy blue. Number 4 is mangoes. And number 5 I think is sky blue. So I'm gonna do number 4 and number 5 and number 6. And I can put some of one of the really easiest way. I remember years ago when I was starting, when it was like over like 10 years, 12 years ago, when it's with the gel polish just come out. It's just so hard for me to do it, the ombre with glitters. So I'm so excited we can do some like have a really quick simple glitter for you. And I promise it is the most easiest ombre techniques on earth. Okay, so number 5 is sky blue. I think it's so beautiful. 1 stroke in the middle. Getting the edges of your bristle, go into the right and go into the left. And then we're gonna clear this one. Had a little bit of fuzz on the nails that I just put it on. Just get the tweezer and pick it up. Here for 60 seconds. Number 6, it is aqua. Super cute. You know what? This is gonna give it a really gorgeous of the background. You can either do, you know what? I think I really like this one. You can do 1 nails with crystals, 1 nail with 40 gel, and 1 nail with chamfer foil. One more coat. Back to the 4 mango. Getting, because I have the lid is open. Just make sure when it happens like this, wipe it right off, and then using alcohol to clean it right way on your skin. This was open, so touching it. Okay. Number 4 again, 1 more layer. Did I do this in the second coat though? It looked like a second coat, but it's not. It looks really nice, but it's really nice and opaque. No translucent at all. Okay. Close number 4, mangoes is really easy to polish, especially for beginners nail tech, or if you are doing your press on business. You also have like a matching color. I should put the name of it on it. This is sky blue, number 5. And then this is aqua, number 6. You know what? This is good to get have a glazed donut on this. That'd be cool, huh? Do you think it's gonna be cool? But I kind of like it. You know, sometimes I like just the color itself like this. So easy to polish. Okay. All right. So what we should do? So many ideas. 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe we should do 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2,
3. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have a top coat yet, and it already looks shiny. You see that? It's not even have any top coat on yet. So we have 4 more colors. I should do 4 more colors, so you can see of just the first 10 and see how we're getting better and better. And this one 456. Oh, nice.
Bring it up. Show me.